Now we're going to check on conditions a little closer to home here now, and for us, we're just dealing with a hot day.
Oh yeah, I mean, and let's not forget that we woke up earlier this morning to a boom.
Yeah.
Many of you probably woke up to thunder, maybe saw some lightning. I mean, Maryville had an impressive lightning show earlier this morning, Ron.
Yeah.
All of the activity has now pushed out east, and it's going to make way for, like what you just said, a hot day. So summer is not over for us just yet here in northwest Missouri and northeast Kansas. The time now is 6:18. We are waking up right now to cloudy skies and wet roads in St. Joseph on our KQ2 tower camera after quite an eventful night for us as we were tracking this line of showers and thunderstorms that pushed through earlier this morning on our KQ2 high resolution max satellite radar. Now we're just dealing with some light rain showers moving into Atchison, into Donovan County, just to the north of St. Joseph. Now the heavier rain is now moving into the I-35 corridor into Harrison County near Bethany. So St. Joseph, be aware you're going to be getting some of that light rain showers. It's right now pushing from Donovan County, from Highland into Troy, eventually into St. Joseph and Maryville, Barnyard. You're now starting to get into the clear. Grant City, though, you're still dealing with some light rain, but again, the heavier rain is now moving into Bethany and eventually moving east out of the KQ2 viewing area. This is all ahead of a storm system that will be pushing through later on today, but this warm front that you see developing just to the north of St. Joseph, this is going to play a big role in our weather for today because this is going to usher in a southeast wind, and we're going to be seeing some hot, humid air moving behind it, which is going to cause heat advisories to go in effect beginning at 1 o'clock today, lasting through 8 p.m. for areas south of Highway 36. It does include St. Joseph and Cameron down into the Kansas City metro because this southeast wind is already allowing temperatures this morning to top out in the lower to middle 70s. Dew points are in the upper 60s to lower 70s. Now, I always talk about the dew point is the temperature the air needs to cool for condensation to form. So the higher the dew point number is, the more uncomfortable, sticky, unpleasant and oppressive it is to be out there. And with temperatures today topping out in the lower 90s, this is how it's going to be feeling out there with the heat index. It's going to feel like 103 degrees in St. Joseph. It's going to feel like 97 degrees in Rockport. It's going to feel like 106 degrees out in Kansas City. So if you are heading out to Chiefs training camp this morning, pack the water, the sunscreen with you because it's going to be hot and humid out there. Temperatures will already be in the lower to middle 80s as practice wraps up. I am still tracking a stray shower or thunderstorm for later on this afternoon, but again, it's going to be a hot and humid day today with temperatures in the lower 90s. So again, make sure you dress properly for the summer weather. Pack the water and sunscreen because it's going to be a hot one today, Ron, with a high of 92 degrees with those heat indices in the lower 100s. And in your KQ2 5 to 7 day forecast, still tracking some rain as we wrap up the work week and go into the weekend. Temperatures, though, will be cooler, back down to near average in the middle to upper 80s. Ron?
Vanessa, thank